Yo guys, welcome to Crepflips. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing for the Jordan Low 11 72-10. I bought these from Nike SNKRS for £170 in a UK size 10. If you do go on to enjoy this video, please leave a like. If you enjoy sneaker based content, then subscribe. And let's get into the unboxing.
Well, I never choose no hoe over you. You've been perfect since we was young. Now I'm watching myself grow older with you. I feel like you understand me. Make love raw. Now we gotta go get a plan B. You knew what I was when we started dating. Used to carve the nugs with the Stanley. It felt right when you met my family. It felt right too when I first met yours. Encouraging me to go chase my dream. Well, I make sure I'm chasing yours. You said play Polo on the speaker. When I got her on all fours, tours, can't wait till I'm flying abroad. Make money on boring, bitch, snoring. Them man are talking shit. Stay low key on some awkward-ish. Cause I don't trust talkative chicks. Say I don't trust no one, I'm so that's family proven. I'm doing this all on my own. I lost close ones, I've been through it. I lost family, I've been through it. Fake love really got man spewing. I know they hating, but they keep on viewing. I can't picture my life if it ain't got you in. No time like the present, gotta keep pursuing. I can't picture my life if it ain't got you in. I can't picture my life if it ain't got you in. Baby, don't get in your feelings, I got a million reasons. But I never choose no hoe over you. You've been perfect since we was young, now I'm watching myself grow older with you. I feel like you understand me. Make love raw. Now we gotta go get a plan B. You knew what I was when we started dating. Used to carve the nugs with the Stanley. It felt right when you met my family. It felt right too when I first met yours. Encouraging me to go chase my dream. Well, I make sure I'm chasing yours. You said play Polo on the speaker. When I got her on all fours, tours, can't wait till I'm flying abroad. Make money on boring, bitch, snoring. Them man are talking shit. Stay low key on some awkward-ish. Cause I don't trust talkative chicks. Say I don't trust no one, I'm so that's family.
So I've just finished unboxing these Jordan 11 lows. These are the 72 and 10s to celebrate the great season that Michael Jordan had, leading the Chicago Bulls to a 72 and 10 record. These shoes are a combination of tumbled leather and pattern leather for the upper. We're gonna go with the size. The sizing of these shoes feels true to size. I bought these in the UK size 10 and these fit very well. I do have a former pair of Jordan 11s lows that I've had for a couple years now, and to this day they're still very comfortable, so that's good. And they haven't stretched too much, so they still do fit that size 10 that I got them in. The price point of these was £170, which is very expensive for a low model of a Jordan. You can buy, and I have bought Jordan 11 highs for £170, so these be priced at the same value but less shoe. Just shows inflation in the market right now. In terms of quality, the quality on these is good, it's okay. There's a couple stitch and frays around like the lace eyelets and some of the laces, but overall aren't too much of a big deal in terms of glue stains and other rips and tears. Personally, I do like these shoes. Do I recommend you picking them up? Not necessarily. I think these are a nice shoe, very clean. I'm probably going to make use of them in the summer because they're a nice low cut shoe. But for £170, what they're currently priced at, do you need to go pick up a pair of these? Not really. I do think these are a nice shoe, and if you buy them you will be happy with them, but overall I don't know if these are worth the £170 price tag. If you are interested in picking these up, there are still some pairs on Nike SNKRS at the time of this recording. Some sizes are sold out, but I do believe some of the smaller adult sizes are still available if you were to want to pick those up. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and comment down below what you think of these sneakers. There is a lot more sneaker content coming soon, so if you do want to subscribe to the channel, you'll then be notified when we do upload next. Thank you for watching once again.
Reasons why I never choose no hoe over you. You've been perfect since we was young, now I'm watching myself.